Hi. I'm Eric, an automotive technician with 15 years of experience. This video is going to explain the meaning of this error code, and show you how to diagnose and fix it. The OBD-II fault code B0083 means there is a problem with the second row left seatbelt load limiter deployment control, subfault. This is a safety feature that limits the force applied by the seatbelt during a collision. When you encounter this OBD error, the vehicle typically exhibits the following symptoms. 1. Airbag warning light is on. 2. Seatbelt warning light is on. Now we talk about possible causes, and how to diagnose and fix. Loose or damaged wiring in the seatbelt system. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of the wiring. Check for any visible damage or loose connections. Repair or replace any damaged or loose wiring. Make sure all connections are secure. Faulty seatbelt load limiter control module. Use a scan tool to check for fault codes in the seatbelt control module. If code B0083 is present, the module may need to be replaced. Replace the seatbelt load limiter control module with a new one. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. If there are uncertainties, feel free to engage in discussions by leaving a comment. Alternatively, when facing difficulties, it is advisable to seek assistance from a professional auto repair shop and technicians. It is not recommended to handle it independently, especially when uncertain. Thanks for watching.